My name is Sudhashni, and I'm an IT professional with over 20 plus years of work experience. Currently, I'm working as a people manager at Cisco for a specialist team of technology architects. We are involved in a lot of pre-sales engagements and activities. I would like to take this opportunity to share my experience with the coaching session that I'm going through, Vijay. And I also want to call out some of the 3 takeaways that I've had with this coaching. The first call out would be we have all gone through disc profiles. I have done a couple of coaching. I've gone through a couple of coaching sessions where we've spoken about disc profiles. But I think the standout for me with Bijay's coaching is that how do you place a team member or an individual or a person in a particular disc profile that he strongly fits into? And how do you engage with the person in a profile that he likes to be engaged? And I think that's one of the learning that while we understand the disc profile, what persona fits into what kind of category, how to engage with them according to the profile they fit into was a great learning, and I've been implementing it. It comes by practice, but then I'm confident that I will be able to master that and have more fruitful conversation with individuals, be it team members, customers, partners, or it could also be family members. So that's one of the important takeaway that I've had with my coaching with Bijay. The second most important thing is understanding human needs. And I love this concept, getting coached by Vijay, right? Every individual has got human needs. And how do we understand which part of that human need is a priority for that individual? And that was a fantastic learning for me with Bijay, because if for someone love and connection is a top priority from a human need perspective, we should engage with them accordingly. If for somebody security is a top priority from a human needs perspective, how do we make that individual feel secure in the environment, in the context that we are working with them, we are talking to them, or we are indulged with them? I just love this concept. Currently at the moment, I'm in the process of implementing it and practicing it as a people manager and as a partner to my spouse, as a mother to my son. I'm trying to find out what is their most relevant human need, and if I can resonate with them in that human need, how it will help me be more successful in relationships. It could be professional or personal. This is a very different learning from most of the earlier coaching sessions I have. So I really look forward to implementing this, and I'm confident that I will be successful in applying this, because it just makes so much more sense. And the third call out is a very relatable engagement that I feel I'm having with Bijay. The fact that Bijay comes from India, we live in India, we understand how the social cultural situations are in India, what works where, the relatability, the ability to understand the scenarios that I'm going through in my professional or personal space is something that makes this coaching session a lot more engaging and a lot more connected. I think I confidently feel that I personally have a lot of benefit from the coaching that I'm going through with Bijay, and I certainly feel that those of you who are looking to be coached by Bijay, it definitely is going to make a lot of difference, because his style, his approach is not by the books. His style, his approach is by sharing his experiences, by sharing the scenarios of multiple different coaching sessions that he does with different people, and the learnings he has obtained from that, and how he kind of cascades it to most of us. That's the beauty about this entire coaching journey with Bijay. I look forward to staying connected with him for most part of my life beyond professional journey. So this is what I have to call out. Thank you.